This part's metal, this part's metal. Two different grades of metal. I'm going to cut this off and put it on there. First we're going to strip the paint. Here we go. Be right back. Paint is off. I just got to sand a little bit about the top of this off and cut the top off and put it on that car. So here's the convertible, and here's the top. It looks a little wide for it right now, but it might just make it. I have to cut down the top a little bit, and it'll work. Be right back. Okay, this is just an up-close shot before I use the JB Weld. Something like that. Hardtop, made from a convertible. Be right back. So this is the hardtop so far, and what I'm doing with the sanding pad is I want to get the post to look just right. So I'm sanding it back and forth, doing everything by hand, even the roof line, and I'm going to prime in a minute. I just want to get the four posts to be down as much as I can, and then I'm going to prime it. I'll be right back. So that's the convertible with the hardtop on it. I just primed it. I'm outside. The primer I'm using is Rust-Oleum primer. When it dries, I'm going to hit it with the yellow. And that's the first shot of the yellow hardtop. So this is where I'm at. The car's painted yellow. It's only really the second coat. And it's the hardtop that I made from a convertible. So there you have it, guys. That's a custom made convertible by Matchbox, and I added a hardtop to it. I'm going to take it downstairs where I have better lighting to show you a better shot of it. But this was originally a convertible, like this one. And there you have it, a hardtop. I'm going to give you a better shot of it in 1 second. Be right back. So that's my own hardtop, guys. I hope you like it. Leave your comments below. Matchbox only made this car in a convertible, and one of my subscribers said to me, take one of those convertibles and make it into a hardtop. I'll be right back. I want to show you it with the other one that I restored 2 weeks ago. Be right back.